Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 7th, 2024. We had some rain yesterday. Things are pretty wet, so I thought I'd shoot some drone video. This video is, I'm up by the third food forest, and it's predominantly going to be showing you the third food forest. It's been a while since I've used a drone, so it's not the smoothest video. So right now I'm by pond 1 here, by the beautiful weeping willow, and here is the third food forest. This is the food forest that I had been transplanting all the trees this last fall and this spring, and I did put some cover crop seed down. Some places it worked out really well, other places lots of weeds. Some of the bushes and trees, like this is a serviceberry, just isn't doing very well at all, but hopefully the roots will shoot up some more shoots here and we'll be happy with that. Same thing with that persimmons. That got snapped off a year ago by a locust tree in the first food forest, that it got ripped in half and all. So some of them have had some shocky times. So what we'll do with the drone is you'll see us fly over this area a couple times and you'll see the third food forest in relation to other areas. There's one of the dragonflies up here right now. I love our dragonflies. They're all over down and back where we're putting in the new pond system. But since it's a calm day, I got the drone up. You'll see the third food forest, the trees that we've transplanted in this area, their condition, and we'll reassess things as the season goes on as well. So what we'll follow is some drone footage of just up in this area, a little bit of an overview of where this is in relation to the top of the property up here as well. This is the highest elevation on the property where we are here. Underneath the third food forest is all hugelkultur pits. That's buried wood underneath this whole area. And our property is all gravel. So that's it for what's going to show up next is the drone footage. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.
Flying high above the new forest we've sown, where dreams take root in fields we've grown. Fruit and night trees, ponds so clear, a sanctuary of life where hope appears. Oh, from above the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Companion plants dancing in the breeze, a symphony of nature beneath the trees. Ponds reflecting skies in the morning glow, a mindful sanctuary where everything can grow. Oh, from above the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Started last fall, still a long way to go, but the journey's as sweet as the seeds we sow. Flying the drone, capturing each stage of our mindful living sanctuary, page by page. We're creating a future for creatures great and small. In our forest of abundance, there's room for them all. Biodiversity is the key to our plan. With hard work and love, we nurture the land. Oh, from above the the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Every bird and bee has a place they can call in this thriving forest where life stands tall. The ponds are teeming, the soil is alive. With a little planning, see how nature thrives. Oh, from above the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Each day we work, we see the progress unfold. In the warmth of the sun and the winter's cold. From tiny seedlings to towering trees, our homestead blooms with life carried by the breeze. Flying high above the new forest we've sown, where dreams take root in fields we've grown. Fruit and nut trees, ponds so clear, a sanctuary of life where hope appears. Oh, from above the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Companion plants dancing in the breeze, a symphony of nature beneath the trees. Ponds reflecting skies in the morning glow, a mindful sanctuary where everything can grow. Oh, from above the third forest, see the future we've made. In every tree and plant, our love is displayed. Hedgerows and guilds, in the sunlight they gleam, growing a better tomorrow from a simple dream. Every bird and bee has a place they can call in this thriving forest where life stands tall. The ponds are teeming, the soil is alive. With a little
flying high above the trees, where the wind and the leaves find harmony. The sun is shining on the open fields, a patchwork quilt of dreams revealed. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear. The beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens flourishing and free, rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky serene and blue, every corner of our home a lovely view. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear. The beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens gardens, flourishing and free. Rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky, serene and blue. Every corner of our home, a lovely view. Nature's art, painted from above. Every frame, a testament to love. The drone's gentle hum, a melody so sweet, as it soars and tips over fields of wheat. Oh, from above the homestead, everything's so clear. The beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. So let the drone fly high, and let the music play in the skies above our home. It's a beautiful day. Every shot a story, every view a song. In the heart of nature, where we all belong. For our mindful living sanctuary, where peace and nature thrive. In every moment captured, we feel so alive.